Now you will find out what surprise Elon Musk has prepared for us in 2021. Every year, Tesla surprises people with something new. Over the past 5 years, it has shown the world several brand new electric cars. These include the relatively inexpensive Tesla Model 3 electric car, the Tesla Model Y crossover, the Tesla semi-electric truck, and the futuristic Tesla Cybertruck pickup truck. And the current 2020 year will clearly be remembered for the fact that the company has launched a preliminary version of a full-fledged autopilot. But in 2021, the company may switch to a completely different field of activity. During a teleconference on the topic of Tesla's financial results for the third quarter of this year, Elon Musk spoke about the company's new killer product. But what does the company want to surprise us with? In fact, the company has not come up with anything radically new. According to Elon Musk, in 2021, the main product of Tesla will not be electric cars, but solar roof panels for installation on the roofs of houses. The head of the company announced that in 10 years, people will be happy to see homes around them that independently generate electric energy. They will not only be beautiful, but will also allow you to abandon methods of generating electricity that harm nature. We are talking about power plants. Today, most of the electricity comes from thermal power plants, which use the energy released by burning organic fuels like coal and oil. Power plants emit a lot of greenhouse gases into the air, which increase the air temperature of our planet and leads to catastrophic consequences. Solar roof technology was announced in 2016. Its essence is that the company will cover the roofs of houses with tiles with built-in solar panels. The collected energy will be transferred to the battery, which will direct it to the inverter, a device for converting direct current into alternating current. Equipped with a solar roof, houses will be less dependent on power plants, which means that the owners will pay less money for electricity. People with solar roofs will have two advantages. First, they will contribute to the protection of the environment. Secondly, they will be able to save money. Elon Musk talked about the economic benefits of solar roof back in 2019 in his Twitter. According to his calculations, the roof with solar panels will allow people to save up to $500 annually on utility bills. He touted the technology almost as an additional source of income. It's like having a money printer installed on the roof of your house. The fact that Tesla will focus on expanding its solar panel roof installation business does not mean that it will abandon the production of cars. In mid-December, the company intends to release a full version of Autopilot, which means that in 2021 there will be a lot of news about its capabilities. In addition, the company is constantly improving its current vehicles, especially the Tesla semi-truck. And in the future, she promised to release an electric car that can be bought for $25,000. So the future is already coming. All you have to do is reach out to him, my friend. Subscribe, or you'll miss new videos.